हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास सेवन्थ का साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 2 न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स वर्कबुक आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट देखिए, चूज़ द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन एंड राइट इट्स इंडेक्स लेटर इन द बॉक्स प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट ईच क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट देखिए, फैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली डाइजेस्टेड इन द C small intestine. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the D large intestine. Third, digestion of which component of food begins in buccal cavity? So A starch. Fourth, which state can be detected by the tip of the tongue? D sweet. Fifth, partial digested of which of the following occurs in stomach? So C protein. Sixth, in which organ the digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins is complete? So D small intestine. Seventh, which simple substance is formed from the digested protein? D amino acid. Eighth देखिए, where are the villi located? तो B in small intestine. In which organ are the digestive juices not produced? तो D in large intestine. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखेंगे, इन fill in the blanks. तो फर्स्ट है, the main steps of nutrition in human are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Second, in the mouth saliva converts starch into sugar. Bitter taste can be detected on posterior region of tongue. Fourth, bile is stored in gallbladder. Fifth, the largest gland in the human body is liver. Sixth, the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called villi. Seventh देखिए, the inner wall of the small intestine secretes intestinal juice. Eighth, carbohydrates after digestion get converted into simple sugar, glucose. Ninth, digestion of protein gets converted into amino acids. 10th, the bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. 11th, ruminant animals eat and swallow the grass quickly and store it is rumen. 12th है, amoeba digest its food in the food vacuole. और क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन वर्ड. फर्स्ट, हु परफॉर्म्स द फंक्शन ऑफ चर्निंग ऑफ फूड? तो आंसर होगा स्टमक. सेकेंड, विच ऑर्गन ऑफ द एलिमेंट्री कैनल हैज़ द वाइडेस्ट रीजन? आंसर स्टमक. Third, what is the approximate length of small intestine in meters? So 7.5 meters. Fourth, in which organ is the process of food digestion complete? So in small intestine. What is the approximate length of large intestine in meters? So 1.5 meters. What are the finger-like positions pushed out in an amoeba called? So pseudopodia. So seventh, where does the digestion and absorption of food occur in amoeba? The food vacuole. Question number 4. Mark the following statements with a tick if true and with a false mark if false in the box given against it each. First, the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. True. Second, sweet taste can be detected at the posterior region of the tongue. False. Third, digestion of starch starts in the stomach. False. Fourth, the liver stores bile. False. Fifth, the gallbladder produces bile. True. Sixth, partial digestion of protein occur in stomach. True. The anterior region of small intestine is called duodenum. True. Eighth, small intestine is shorter in length than the large intestine. False. Ninth, digestion of food does not occur in large intestine. True. Okay. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence. So first है, what are the accessory organs of digestive system? So the accessory organs of digestive system are secretory glands such as salivary gland. Second देखिए, what is cellulose? Cellulose is a complex form of carbohydrate. Third, what is the anterior region of small intestine called? So the anterior region of the small intestine is called duodenum. Fourth, which digestive juices mix with food in small intestine? So in small intestine, 3 digestive juices, that is bile, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice mix with food. Fifth, what are absorbed from the digested food material in large intestine? The water and some salt are absorbed from the undigested food material in large intestine. Sixth, what is secreted from the inner lining of the stomach? The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, digestive juices. Seventh, what is the function of mucus in stomach? So the mucus protects the lining of the stomach. Eighth, what is the function of hydrochloric acid secreted in the stomach? So answer, the hydrochloric acid secreted in the stomach kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium acidic in the stomach and helps the digestive juices to act. Ninth, what is the function of bile? The bile provides alkaline medium in small intestine and helps in the digestion of fats. 10th, what is the function of pseudopodia in amoeba? So pseudopodia in amoeba capture the food and help in the movement. Question number 6 है define. First है food. The substances that supply nutrients to the body are called food. Second, digestion. A process of the breakdown of complex components of food into similar substances is called digestion. Third, nutrition. A process of intaking of food and its utilization in body is called nutrition. Question number 7. What are the following questions? Answer the following questions in short. First, what are villi? What is the location and function? So answer, the inner wall of the small intestine has thousands of finger-like outgrowth called villi. They are found in the inner wall of small intestine. Villi increase the surface area of absorb of digested food. So absorption of digested food materials easily occurred in small intestine. सेकंड देखिए, वाई डू वी गेट इंस्टेंट एनर्जी फ्रॉम ग्लूकोज? तो ग्लूकोज इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ carbohydrates. It can be directly absorbed in blood through blood circulation. It can reach to body cells. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water energy is released. So we get instant energy from glucose. Third, which part of digestive canal is involved in the process? The first है absorption of food, the small intestine. Chewing of food, buccal cavity. Complete digestion of food, small intestine. And formation of feces, large intestine. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. लेबल द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम्स. हमने डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को यहाँ पर लेबल करना है. तो देखिए ऊपर के भाग ऑसोपेजियस, ये है स्टमक, ये पैनक्रीज, ये है ड्यूडेनम, ये है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ये है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, ये है रेक्टम और ये है एनस. देखिए 5th, स्टेट द डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स ऑफ ह्यूमन. तो द डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स ऑफ ह्यूमन आर फर्स्ट द बक्कल कैविटी, सेकंड फूड पाइप ऑफ ऑसोपेजियस, थर्ड स्टमक, फोर्थ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, फिफ्थ लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एंडिंग इन द रेक्टम, सिक्स्थ द एनस. Secretory glands such as salivary gland, the liver and the pancreas are necessary digestive systems. 6th, state the functions of the tongue. The functions of the tongue. First, it detects different tastes of food. Second, it is helpful in talking. Third, it mixes saliva in the food during chewing and helps in swallowing food. 7th, देखिए, explain the structure of stomach. Answer, the stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape it's like flattened U and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is connected with esophagus at upper end and with small intestine at lower end. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Churning of food and partial digestion of protein occurs in stomach. 8th, explain the absorption of nutrients in small intestine. So the digested food passes into the blood vessels in the wall of the small intestine. This process is called absorption. The inner wall of the small intestine has thousands of finger-like outgrowths called villi. The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villi has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported to different organs through the blood of vessels. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, राइट 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंसेस. तो हमको स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के बीच में डिफरेंस करना है. तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन पहले देखते हैं. इट इज़ हाईली कॉइल्ड एंड इट इज़ अबाउट 7.5 मीटर्स. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, it is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meters long. Second, small intestine का digestion of food and absorption of nutrition occur in it. और large intestine में second, only absorption of water and some salts from the undigested food occur in it. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है, मैच द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपरली. तो कॉलम ए में देखिए फर्स्ट है स्टमक, उसका आंसर देखिए डी है, पार्शियल डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन. सेकंड है लीवर, आंसर नंबर ए, द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड इन द बॉडी. थर्ड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, आंसर नंबर ई, डाइजेशन इज कंप्लीटेड. और फोर्थ लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, आंसर नंबर सी अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर। और मैचिंग का सेकंड देखिए, सलीवा, आंसर नंबर बी बक्कल कैविटी। सेकंड बाइल, आंसर नंबर ई लीवर। थर्ड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, आंसर नंबर ए स्टमक। फोर्थ इंटेस्टिनल जूस, आंसर नंबर सी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 देखिए, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल, एक्सप्लेन डाइजेशन प्रोसेस अकरिंग इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। तो हम देखेंगे पॉइंट्स। फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, फूड कंटेनिंग पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड स्टार्च, पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड प्रोटीन एंटर्स इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन फ्रॉम स्टमक. It receives bile secreted from liver and pancreatic juice for pancreases. Both bile and pancreatic juice makes the with food. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simple form. The partly digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine. The inner wall of small intestine also secretes intestinal juice. The intestinal juice completes the digestion of all components of food. The carbohydrates get broken into small sugars and as glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol and proteins into amino acid. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। और स्टडीज़ के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको कौन सा वीडियो चाहिए, कौन से वीडियोस के सारे आंसर चाहिए। मैं वो वीडियो आपके लिए ज़रूर अपलोड करूँगा। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा वीडियो यहाँ पर ख़त्म होता है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स।